Welcome to Livegistics. In this tutorial, we're diving into the reconciliation widget, your go-to tool, no matter your industry. You'll find it in the bottom right corner of your screen. This widget is designed to simplify invoicing for contractors and waste generators across all industries. It gives you a complete overview of your transactions, making your work more efficient. Don't miss the Open Tickets feature. It helps you keep track of pending tasks, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Now, that toggle at the top, switch it to Invoice, and voila! You'll see all your created invoices in one place. Say goodbye to manual reconciliation processes. This feature streamlines your finances. Here's a handy tip. Select a project and watch the widget adapt with project-specific details, providing you with precise insights. With Livegistics, we're all about optimizing your operations. Whether you're in construction, manufacturing, or any industry, we're here to revolutionize your workflow. Visit our website today to learn how Livegistics can help you handle your transactions digitally.